The Interchange platform is a digital infrastructure designed to facilitate the co-creation of documents and texts, such as calls for applications. Bruno is responsible for managing mobilities, joint master courses applications, and summer and winter schools within the EC2U Alliance. His main job is to write, share, and implement the correct procedures for enrolling new students. Previously, Bruno had to fill out paper forms and scan them to send them digitally, a time-consuming process that was also required for short-term activities of less than 1 week. However, members of the EC2U Alliance now have an alternative. They can log in to the Alliance's Interchange platform, which is based on a customized version of Atlassian Confluence, using their institutional email. The Interchange platform has various workspaces for didactics, governance, digital infrastructure management, mobility, and access to the Knowledge Hub, which is the Alliance's database repository. By accessing collaborative knowledge sharing and management tools for EC2U didactic services, users can access course catalogs, joint master's degree programs, and application forms. For example, during the admission call for the joint master's degree in European languages, cultures, and societies, all the representatives of the universities in the Alliance could work together on the same document, using metalinks in the text. When one section was modified, all other documents in the platform that referred to that section were automatically updated. When the Alliance had to develop a second admission call for another joint master's degree, the authors leveraged the existing structure and content, adapting it to the new needs. The infrastructure section of the Interchange platform is a collaborative management tool for developing the common digital infrastructure and beyond. For instance, during the common development of a virtual ID card, it was possible to follow the implementation level of the infrastructure in each university. Thanks to the Interchange platform, Bruno can now develop his documents with his colleagues in a shared digital environment, track project progress, and save time